Hi guys, today I want to show you how to get to our eBooks and audiobooks using Sora from the library catalog. So to start off, you need to go to the Grandview Hills website. So just in the address bar right here, we're going to start typing Grandview Hills. And you can see that for me it pops up pretty quickly, but just in case it doesn't, you can also go here to where it says Grandview Hills Elementary or any of those, and then it will be the first link here on that Google search. So now that you're at the Grandview Hills Elementary website, you're going to go here to Campus Information and find Library. And there's a lot of choices, but let's go ahead and go to the library main page. Once you get to the main page, you've got all these stars. And today, since we're doing online books, we're going to go here to the green star. And the books I want to show you are in our Overdrive account. So you're going to click here, and once you click here, it might ask you to log in. If it does, it's very simple. It's just your regular computer login, which would be last name, underscore, lunch number, and then your birthday. So it's not going to ask me to log in because it's got that for me, but this is actually not what I want. What I want to go to is the blue bar right here, and yours is probably at the top of your screen, that says Try Sora. We're going to click the green button that says Try it in your browser. Just a note, there is an app available and it's really easy and free. Ask your parents if you can download it. I use it when I listen to audiobooks when I drive to and from work, and it's a great app. But we're going to do it today in our browser, so click Browser. Now, I'm already logged in, so it's not asking me to log in. But again, if it asks you, it's just your regular computer login. So the great thing about Sora is that you can check out books and you can explore different things. So let's start by going here to the binoculars for Explore and then click on Collections. One of the greatest things I like about it is that it has the Bluebonnet book collections right here. Now, the thing about the Bluebonnets is they're very popular, so you have to wait in line for them. So you can see I could put Amina's Voice on hold. There's already a little bit of a line for it. There's not that many people in line for Bravo, so I could go ahead and choose that one. And then if you look at Refugee, it looks like there's a lot of people in line for Refugee. So that's one option. We can go back here to collections, and it has, best-selling. It has new audiobooks. It has what's available now. Let's go back to Explore so I can show you one other really helpful thing. If you go to the preferences, I like to narrow it down to available books. So that way it doesn't show me books that aren't available. So I'm going to change it to available, and I'm going to click Apply. And now it's going to only show me things that are available. But you know what? I want to narrow it a little bit more. I want to narrow down the audience to just things that you guys would see. So I'm going to click Juvenile. You might see adult books, but it won't let you check it out because it knows you're from elementary. So now I have a list of available books that you guys would be appropriate for you. Oh, I love When You Reach Me. So I'm going to click that one. And it's an ebook, which means I can read it on a device. And if I want to read a sample, I could click that. But I really know I want this book, so I'm going to go ahead and click Borrow. And that means now that I have access to this book. It is on my shelf, and I can read it, and it's not due for about 2 weeks. And so I can just use this scroll or my arrow keys so I can go to the next page, or just click that, and it takes me to the next pages. Okay. Then I can get out by coming here to this X, or not. I can go down and click at the bottom, and I can go to Close. And if I want to keep looking, I could go back to Explore, or if I want to go to my shelf and see what I have checked out, I could go right here, and you can see that I've got a couple of books checked out right now. I've got When You Reach Me, and then I've got another book right now. I had an audiobook. I wonder where that went. And then I can go back to Explore, and I could also set a preference that I only want a certain kind of book. So if I'm looking for an audiobook for my drive to school, I can click that. And now it's going to show me the available audiobooks that I can listen to. So my daughter really loves Magic Tree House, so maybe I'll borrow this one so we can listen to it on the way to school. So I'm going to go right here. Yep, we haven't read this one yet. I'm going to click borrow, and it's going to open up for me. Now, if I don't want to listen to it right now, I could just come here and click close. But if I want to, I could click play and it would start reading the book to me. By the way, if you want to listen to an audiobook today, there's a box of headphones over on Miss Bartley's cart that you could use to plug in and listen to a book. So today what I want you to do is explore. And if you find a book that you are interested in reading, then go ahead and check it out and you can start reading that. Remember to use your preferences. Sora doesn't have every book ever written, but it has a lot of them. So make sure that when you're searching for a book, you're looking for things and being a little bit patient. So I wanted to search One and Only Ivan. I can see that it's in Sora, but it's on hold. So if I want to go ahead and get in line for the audiobook, I'm going to come to this one with the headphones. I'm going to hit place hold. And now I'm on the wait list for when that one is returned. Okay, if you have any questions, be sure and let me know and enjoy looking around Sora.